Alright guys, so I ordered this one. It's called Eken Smart Doorbell. I'm gonna install the battery on this because I ordered without the battery because I already have a 18650 lithium-ion battery. Okay, and that is the reset USB charging port. And basically just slide this one to closed. And let's see if I can pair this doorbell chime. Alright guys, so I did pair the chime bell to the Eken doorbell. Now when I press this, it should also ring there. Okay, so now what I did was I just press and hold the volume for 4 seconds, and then I press this doorbell button for 5 seconds, and then it will pair to each other. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna download the app. So it's called Live Home app. Okay, let's wait until this one to be downloaded. Okay, open. I would like to access your photos. Okay. Microphone, yes. Allow while using the app. Notification, yes. Okay, let me sign up for this one. I'll be right back. Alright, so after signing up, this is the screen that I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and click add doorbell, video doorbell. Okay, press and hold for 8 seconds until the... Alright, I'm gonna press the button for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, click next. Alright, it's the red light, yes. And of course, I'm gonna put my password here. Let me put my password. Okay.
Wi-Fi connection failed. Roger that phone.
Alright, so I retype. And 1, 3, 4.
Entering pairing mode.
By the way, let's remove this plastic. Okay.
QR code scan finished. Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
Okay. And let's wait for this to connect.
The device is connecting to your Wi-Fi.
It's very easy to configure. So let's wait until this to connect to my Wi-Fi. Okay, so I did because I was initially connecting to the 5G network. So
the device is connecting to your Wi-Fi.
And the camera, I think this doorbell is not of 5 GHz compatible. So I switched to my 2G.
Wi-Fi connected.
Alright.
For device registration. Device registration successful.
Alright, so this one is only 2.4 guys, 2.4 GHz. So my bad. Alright, so let's see. It says here. Okay, refresh. Okay, battery level 81%. Download install version 2.79. Alright, let me update the firmware first. So guys, before waiting for this, 2 ways to install this. Either you use this 2 double-sided tape or you screw it onto the wall. I'm still waiting for the firmware update to download. So right now it's 63%. So I'm gonna give you some quick review on this Eken doorbell. So this one is a 1080p camera. Comes with a free 7 days cloud storage.